My circular cake pan has been buttered, lightly floured, ready for my ciambella. Ciambella is a traditional cake in Calabria that uses their homegrown beautiful oranges. And it has a sweet, sticky glaze to the top. Flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt to help bring out the flavors. 3 fresh eggs. 1, 2. It's that easy. Vanilla extract. And this cake gets orange flavor in 2 ways. It's all the oils in the zest or the skin that possess those great flavors. A whisk and a workup, just to cream everything together. I've got all that orange juice in there and a little bit of pulp, but that's good. It adds flavor. Now, this addition of melted butter will add richness and a supple softness to the ciambella. Now I've got the egg whites just lightly broken up. Add a little lemon juice. It will help keep nice stiff peaks on my well-whipped egg whites. As I whip these egg whites, I'm able to incorporate more and more air, so the volume increases, but more importantly, I'm capturing as much air as I can. This is going to make my ciambella light and fluffy. Egg yolks, orange, vanilla. Time to meet the flour. You can knock out any lumps as it comes to that paste. You know, any cake that requires this kind of mixing and beating and turning into a batter is one of my favorites. And this is the consistency you want to be looking for. So what I like to do is take a little of the egg white and just cut it in to the heavier mixture. And what that actually does is lighten the denser mixture. I could take the less dense mixture and add to the egg whites. And with that same gentle folding and cutting through to ensure that you don't lose too many of those air bubbles. And even having it just slightly undermixed is preferred than overmixed. And this ciambella is ready to go into the oven. My ciambella not only looks great, it's smelling gorgeous. I need it to cool down so it'll just gently pull away from the edges. And whilst it's doing that, I'll get on with the glaze. A little water over a gentle heat. So I want to melt down this orange marmalade to the perfect consistency. And this marmalade has big, zesty, tasty chunks of orange rind. The glaze is done. A little glaze. This is going to be such a treat. The flavor of the orange, vanilla, and this zesty glaze. Time for tasting. Just the wonderful feel as I cut into the ciambella. And look at those beautiful air holes. That's because I whisked those egg whites all by hand. It's absolutely beautiful. Moist, tender, has a density that is wonderful and soft, but flavorful. This is a great ciambella.
Stamattina andrò a tagliare i fiori